Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Priyanka, and in this video today we are going to create this beautiful drawing using all pastels. So all my young artists, grab your art supplies and get ready to draw and color this drawing along with me step by step. So to start with, we will need drawing paper, markers, pencil, eraser and all pastels. So take your paper, I'm taking an A4 size paper here, and using a pencil we will create a line sketch first. So start just above the center of the paper. We'll be making the branch using two curved lines. So that will be your branch. You can add some more lines over there to have some small branches coming out of it. Later we'll be adding some leaves to it too. Now we'll be starting drawing the face of our character. So start by drawing a small circle which is resting just above the branch. In this drawing we'll be using a lot of curved lines, circles for creating this character. Start by placing two curves, one on each side of the circle. That will be its hands. Add fingers to it, and then we will be making the big circle for the face. Next here we will be making two small circles. They will work as the eyes. Place a dot inside it for making those small tiny eyeballs. Add eyebrows which are supposed to be the shape of a water droplet. Now these are two sections on the side of the face. They are just white color fur on its face. Add two triangular shapes for making the ears. Next we will create the lower part of its body. That is also again a big curve like an upside down alphabet U. We're going to add two more shapes, same alphabet U, which will be its legs. Same way we'll be adding four fingers to each of them and a cute tiny heart shape which will work as the bottom part of the leg. Now to complete the body, we're going to add one more curved line below and another alphabet U upside down for completing the shape of the stomach. Now you can add a big wiggly tail. Then just to make more pattern on it, we'll be adding those lines so that we can color it in two different colors. Now if you look carefully, we created number 8 and added a tail to it. This is how we will create this character. Now to fill in the background, you can add any kind of flowers or leaves or any floral pattern that you like. You can also draw some honeybees or butterflies in the background. That completely depends on you. We are going to fill the whole background with leaves and flowers so that the complete composition will look beautiful. Also, we can add some leaves to the main branch, add some texture to it so that it gets more wooden kind of feel. So adding some lines and curved lines on top of this main branch. If you feel the video is going fast, you can pause the video and complete your artwork and then again get back to it. Also, you can reduce the speed of the video so that you can draw along with me. See, again, we are using a very simple shape for the leaves, and I'm just making a lot of them in different sizes. Also, you can add some small tiny flowers or some fruits. So I'm just adding small circles which will work as the berries over here. And see, this is how you're going to complete your pencil work. Next, we'll be using a marker. You can have a fine liner or a thicker marker, and we'll give a quick outline to our pencil sketch. So this is how you're going to complete your outline. Once the outline is done, erase any extra pencil marks that you see. You can fill in the eyeballs with your marker, fill in the nose also with the marker because it's going to be black in color. Now pick up your oil pastels. We will be starting with a brown color for the face, for the tail. Now tail have those sections, so we will color in alternate manner. The next color that you will be using will be orange. Overlap your brown color and fill in the top part of the face just above the eyes. The bottom part you will be using a dark brown color. Do the same thing for the tail so that you create this beautiful brownish orange color. Highlight the left hand side of the face using the same brown color and the same for the tail so that it gets a circular feel. Now adding the highlight, we will be using a dark brown color, that's a burnt umber color, and same color goes for the ears and the rest of the tail and the main body of this character. Now using a black color, we will add a little highlight for this dark brown area also, so that the body, which is mostly circular, will get a rounded feel over here. For the tiny hands and feet, I'm using the same burnt sienna color, a little bit of orange color to balance it so that it matches with the body. The tiny hearts over there, use a pink color for that. For the center part of the body, I'm using yellow ochre and flash tint and blending them together directly on the paper. So it's this simple to create this character, and see how beautiful that looks. Now for the branch, I'm taking a yellow ochre color, highlighting those pencil marks that we created to give it more of a wooden feel. Use your flash tint color for filling the rest of the area, and use your light brown color or buff color for highlighting it. A little bit of yellow for adding some shine. Once this is done, we'll be using our favorite colors for coloring the background. Make all those leaves in different shades of greens, blues and purples. Again, use your favorite color for coloring all the flowers that you added. Use two colors, one light and one dark, for creating a shaded effect for the leaves and for the flowers. Now for the background, we'll be using a very beautiful ultramarine blue color for the outer part. Inside part, you can use a sky blue color. Bottom part, again, you can use a shade of green. The top part, I'm going to blend with a white color next so that it gets a very bright light blue color behind your character. And this is how you're going to complete your artwork. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like, share and subscribe. and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.